Hello dear students, it's very important for you to note down this topic of note making because this topic is totally new for you. For the first time you are going to practice this note making under your reading section. So kindly note the format, the way you are going to mention the content, and along with that content also the expression which is required, because what is most important in note making is the fact that you cannot write more than what is asked for. There is a limit, word limit is there, and along with that word limit there is a specific format that needs to be followed. In case if you don't follow that, say for example when we start writing the notes, at that time it becomes important for us that we have to shorten, we have to fetch out only and only important information, and not that everything you cannot mention each and everything what is mentioned in the passage. So therefore be very careful while going through the video that I am going to put, that I'll be putting it up for you, that also moves on up till your class 12. In this video, please note the decimal system of making your notes. Also at the same time, how do we write down the summary, because summary writing is equally important, that comes in your exam for 3 marks. So total question is of 8 marks, which I have explained in my video to you very clearly. Step by step marking by the examiners is also mentioned. For example, just to tell you the gist of it, format includes title, format includes your notes along with the abbreviations, and of course yes, the last part of it which talks about summary. So I wish things are clear to you. It should be clear, each and everything should be very clear to you. In case if you find still a difficulty, do let me know, but please watch this YouTube link, and wish you all the best. And also I wish to congratulate you for your wonderful result and wish you happy schooling for your class 11th and 12th. Take care students.